Good morning children, welcome back to another SS class. Today we will continue block 13 Festivals of India, and we have studied first lesson Festivals of India. What is festivals? Festivals are the special occasion that celebrate with our family and friends. In India, people follow different religion, so that people celebrating different festivals. Besides this religious festival, we have some other festivals too, which are harvest festival and national festival. In the previous class, we have studied all these festivals. Can you say some names of the festivals? Yes, which are the festivals that we celebrating in India? Diwali, Christmas, Eid, Guru Purab, Buddha Purnima, Mahavir Jayanti, Durga Puja. These are the religious festivals. Then we are also celebrating some festival like Bihu, Pongal, Baisakhi. These are the seasonal festival or harvest festival. Why do we celebrate this harvest festival? We celebrate harvest festival to thank nature for giving us good crops. And also we celebrate some national festival. Religious festival and harvest festivals are celebrated by a group of people. In harvest festivals are celebrated by the people who belongs to or in particular state. Okay, and what about national festival? National festivals are celebrated by everyone in our country. In today's class, we will learn about second lesson, food and rituals. What is ritual? In today's class, we will learn about how rituals and foods brings us together during the festivals. Let's discuss what is ritual and what are the food we eat during the festival. We all are celebrating different festival in different time of the year. Rituals are the things we do to worship God or nature. Rituals are the things we do to worship nature or gods to celebrate festivals. Okay, for example, can you say some examples of the rituals? Yes, during the Diwali, we lighting the lamps, then making pattern on the floor with different colors and making pattern on the floor with flowers. These are the rituals that we do during the festivals. Rituals are the things we do to worship nature or God. Let us discuss what are the rituals we do during the festival. Here you can see the name of festivals and special food rituals. Let us discuss special food and rituals of the festival. First one, Eid al-Zuha. Special food that we eat during Eid al-Fitr or Eid al-Zuha: biryani, korma, kebab, other meat dishes and sevayan. Then what is the ritual that we do during this festival? Yes, men go to mosque for prayer, people wish each other Eid Mubarak, and they sacrifice God and share the meat with friends, relatives and the poor people. Next one, Christmas. What is the special food that we eat during the Christmas? Christmas cake and pudding. And the special rituals people do on Christmas is people wish each other Merry Christmas, exchange gifts, go to church, sing Christmas carols and decorate Christmas tree at home. The next festival is Diwali, and special food of Diwali is various types of sweets like gulab jamun, burfi, laddu and dry fruits. What is this ritual that we do on Diwali? People clean their homes and decorate them with the flowers and colored patterns. They light lamps and pray to the goddesses Lakshmi. Then Guru Purab. Guru Purab celebrated by Sikh, and what is the special food? Yes, Kada Prasad and Langar, and ritual that people do during the Gurupurab is people light up the homes and visit Gurudwara and take out the procession. Why do people doing these all things? To show respect to nature or to show respect to God. So the rituals are the things we do to worship nature or God. These are the things we do to worship nature or God. I hope you understood which are the rituals we do during the festivals. Okay. How do we know what food cook or eat on festivals, and who teaches the rituals and who celebrate festival with us? We celebrate festivals with our family members and friends. This festival we celebrate with family members, neighbors and friends, and we clean our home and make different dishes. On festival we wear new clothes. Who teaches the rituals? Yes, our elders teaches the rituals. Our festivals food are those that we have been eating for many years. For example, during Eid, Muslims eat meat and sweet dish called Sevayan, among other things. We also have other rituals. For example, Christmas. Christians decorate a Christmas tree on Christmas. Bengali come together and offer flowers and sweets to the goddess during the Durga Puja. We learn these rituals from our elders at home. How do we learn? Who teaches? Our elders teach us. We learn these rituals from our elders. And now we have studied the food and rituals of the festival. And rituals are the things we do to worship nature or God. Here we greet each other and spend time or celebrate with family and friends. And we wear new clothes, give clothes to others. We do rituals like lighting lamps. We eat different food during festivals. How do those who have no home and no family, no money celebrate festival? How can we help them? We can give them some money, clothes and food and include them in our celebration so that they can also part of the festival. By this we can show that we care for them. We help them, those who have no family, no money. We can help them by giving money and by giving no clothes and also include in our festivals. This way we can show love to them. I hope you understood the food and rituals of the festival. Then we are going to discuss as to food and rituals. First question, name one food items that people eat during these festivals. Christmas, you can write the cake or pudding. During Eid, you can write the Eid, biryani. You can write the biryani, Sevayan. On Diwali, sweets. Then second question, describe how you celebrate a festival with your family or friends. Write what food you eat and what do you do and what clothes you like to wear. You have to write your own answer. It's about your festival. How do you celebrate a festival with your family or friends? Okay, write your own answer. Then third question, Prem does not have a family or a home. He begs for food and sleeps on the footpath. How can you help him to celebrate a festival? We can give him some money, clothes and food and include them in our celebration so that he can also be part of the festival. I hope you understood lesson 2, food and rituals. Thank you. Have a nice day.